Hi, today I'll show you a demonstration of the capabilities of the DJI Mic 2. I'm gonna show you the various settings for the volume and how all the features sound like. Just I will begin with quite a brief demonstration of the low cut versus without low cut, this kind of thing, and then I'll move on to other settings and also the volume calibration test. So let's begin. So once I move my hand on the screen, uh, I'll begin having audio from the microphone itself, which is clipped on my collar. It's about 10 centimeters or so from my lips. So you can hear how it sounds like as I speak through the microphone. So right now I'm gonna switch the audio to the mic, the clip mic audio. So there's a shift. Alright, so I'll begin by boosting the audio so you can hear more clearly. I'm gonna put at 8 for both the transmitter and receiver. Actually, I'm gonna put at 10. Okay, let's do 10. Okay, so this is how it sounds like at plus 10 for receiver and plus 10 for the transmitter. So I'm gonna adjust the settings. So the receiver settings, I'm not gonna touch the receiver for now. I'm gonna touch the transmitter settings. So, alright, let's try out. So right now the low cut filter is actually off. I'm gonna turn on low cut right now. So let's see how it sounds like with low cut filter. Okay. Alright, so this is how it sounds like with the low cut filter. And we're gonna turn off the low cut filter now. Alright, so low cut filter is now off. So this is how it sounds like with the low cut filter off. Alright, so I'm gonna try how it sounds like for with noise reduction. Okay, so this one is basically like saying that you can turn on noise reduction with a button. Let me see if I can turn on noise reduction. I think I saw it in the menu somewhere. I think it's nice. Yeah, so I'm gonna turn on noise reduction. So this is how it sounds like with noise reduction turned on, and this is how it sounds like without noise reduction. So there's a difference between these two. Right now I'm gonna turn off noise reduction, and we are going to proceed with the volume testing. So let's begin. So right now it's at 0 for both transmitter and receiver. Okay, so I'm gonna begin by increasing the volume for the receiver. So this is how it sounds like with +1 on the receiver, and this is how it sounds like for +2 on the receiver, and on the setting of +3 on the receiver, this is how it sounds like, and this is +4 on the receiver, +4 on the receiver, this is +5 on the receiver, +5 on the receiver, this is +6 on the receiver, +6 on the receiver, this is +7 on the receiver, +7 on the receiver, this is +8 on the receiver, +8 on the receiver, this is +9 on the receiver, +9 on the receiver, this is +10 on the receiver, +10 on the receiver, this is +11 on the receiver, +11 on the receiver, and this is +12 on the receiver. So you can hear how it sounds like on all these settings. So right now I'm going to do for the transmitter. Alright, so this is +1 on the transmitter with +12 on the receiver. Alright, so this is +2 on the transmitter. Alright, so this is +3 on the transmitter, +3 on the transmitter. This is +4 on the transmitter, +4 on the transmitter. This is +5 on the transmitter, +5 on the transmitter. This is +6 on the transmitter, +6 on the transmitter. This is +7 on the transmitter, +7 on the transmitter. This is +8 on the transmitter, +8 on the transmitter. This is +9 on the transmitter, +9 on the transmitter. This is +10 on the transmitter, +10 on the transmitter. This is +11 on the transmitter, +11 on the transmitter. This is +12 on the transmitter, +12 on the transmitter. So this is how it sounds like with both transmitter and receiver maxed out at +12. Alright, so now I'm gonna adjust the setting for the transmitter to be, okay, let's do like 12 to 0 in tandem. So I'm going to put +11 for both. So this is how it sounds like, +11 for both transmitter and receiver. Okay, right, so this is +10 on transmitter and receiver. This is +9 on transmitter and +9 on the receiver. This is +8 on the transmitter and +8 on the receiver. This is +7 on the transmitter and +7 on the receiver. This is +6 both on the transmitter and receiver, +6 on the transmitter and +6 on the receiver. This is +5 on the transmitter and +5 on the receiver. This is +4 on the transmitter and +4 on the receiver. This is +3 on the transmitter and +3 on the receiver. This is +2 on the transmitter and +2 on the receiver. This is +1 on the transmitter and +1 on the receiver. This is 0 for both transmitter and receiver. Alright, so let's do -1 for both. So this is -1 on the transmitter and -1 on the receiver. -2 on the transmitter, -2 on the receiver. -3 on the transmitter and -3 on the receiver. This is -4 on the transmitter and -4 on the receiver. This is -5 on the transmitter and -5 on the receiver. This is -6 on the transmitter and -6 on the transmitter. This is -7 on the transmitter and -7 on the receiver. This is -8 on the transmitter, -8 on the receiver. This is -9 on the transmitter and -9 on the receiver. This is -10 on the transmitter and -10 on the receiver. This is -11 on the transmitter and -11 on the receiver. This is -12 on both the transmitter and the receiver. So right now I'm going to do a test where I'm going to demonstrate how it sounds like for the transmitter to increase in the sound. So I'm going to increase the sound for a transmitter step by step. So this is -11 on the transmitter, -11 on the transmitter. This is -10 on the transmitter, -10 on the transmitter. This is -9 on the transmitter, -9 on the transmitter. This is -8 on the transmitter, -8 on the transmitter. This is -7 on the transmitter, -7 on the transmitter. This is -6 on the transmitter, -6 on the transmitter. This is -5 on the transmitter, -5 on the transmitter. This is -4 on the transmitter, -4 on the transmitter. This is -3 on the transmitter, -3 on the transmitter. This is -2 on the transmitter, -2 on the transmitter. This is -1 transmitter, -1 transmitter. This is 0 on transmitter, 0 on transmitter. This is +1 transmitter, +1 transmitter. This is +2 on transmitter, +2 on transmitter. This is +3 on transmitter, +3 on transmitter. This is +4 on transmitter, +4 on transmitter. This is +5 on transmitter, +5 on transmitter. This is +6 on transmitter, +6 on transmitter. This is +7 on transmitter, +7 on transmitter. This is +8 on transmitter, +8 on transmitter. This is +9 on transmitter, +9 on transmitter. This is +10 on transmitter, +10 on transmitter. This is +11 on transmitter, +11 on transmitter. And this is +12 on the transmitter. This is +12 on the transmitter. So now we're gonna follow up with this +12 with the receiver volumes. So this is -12 on the receiver right now. This is -11 on the transmitter right now. Sorry, -11 on the receiver right now. This is -10 on the receiver right now. This is -9 on the transmitter right now. Sorry, -9 on the receiver right now. -9 on the receiver right now. This is -8 on the receiver right now. -8 on the receiver right now. This is -7 on the receiver right now. -7 on the receiver right now. This is -6 on the receiver right now. -6 on the receiver right now. This is -5 on the receiver right now. -5 on the receiver right now. This is -4 on the receiver right now. -4 on the receiver right now. This is -3 on the receiver right now. -3 on the receiver right now. This is -2 on the receiver right now. -2 on the receiver right now. This is -1 on the receiver right now. -1 on the receiver right now. This is normal value, 0 value on the receiver right now. 0 is a 0 on the receiver right now. This is +1 on the receiver right now. +1 on the receiver right now. This is +2 on the receiver now. +2 on the receiver right now. This is +3 on the receiver. +3 on the receiver right now. This is +4 on the receiver. +4 on the receiver right now. This is +5 on the receiver right now. +5 on the receiver right now. This is +6 on the receiver right now. +6 on the receiver right now. This is +7 on the receiver right now. +7 on the receiver right now. This is +8 on the receiver right now. +8 on the receiver right now. This is +9 on the receiver right now. +9 on the receiver right now. This is +10 on the receiver right now. +10 on the receiver right now. This is +11 on the receiver right now. +11 on the receiver right now. This is +12 on the receiver right now. +12 on the receiver right now. So this is how it sounds like, +12 for each. And right now I'm going to do a test now for the two microphones being used together. So I'm going to activate the other microphone. Right. Right, so it's on now. You can see that it's working. So this is how it sounds like, +12 for the receiver and +12 on one of the transmitters, and for mic 2 is 0. So this is how it sounds like, but the mic 2 is just it's about a foot away from my lips. So this is how it sounds like. And right now I'm gonna boost the sound for the mic 2. So this is how it sounds like, +12 for both transmitters and one receiver. So I'm going to leave this mic here, and this is how it sounds like, demonstration of how it sounds like. So right now we're going to lower things down to an average. So let's do 9. Okay, so 9 plus 9 for all the microphones. One is on my collar, which is about 10 centimeters from my lips, and this is about a foot away from my lips. So I'm going to show you how it sounds like when I use this microphone at distance. So I'm going to put this down. So I'm going to leave it here so you can still see the levels. Alright, so this mic I'm going to put here, and I still have one mic on my column. And right now I'm gonna demonstrate a recording, an on-field recording in a sense. So the second mic is actually next to my camera right now. So right now, like, there's two sound sources. One is my film camera, which I am triggering right now. So I'm gonna open the camera out. Let's see how it sounds like with it next to the camera. Let's do this. Alright. I'm gonna point the mic to the camera. Alright. Alright. Okay, so this is how it sounds like with I'm gonna try talking at the same time as triggering the camera. So I'm actually actuating the camera right now, and while at the same time I'm talking into the mic. Sorry. So actuating the camera and talking at the same time. This is how it sounds like. Actuating and talking at the same time. This is how it sounds like. I think this is not working that well, so I'm gonna close this down, and aim the camera towards me instead. Okay, I'm gonna do it this way. So actuating the camera and talking at the same time. So this is how it sounds like with a mechanical sound source being pointed at the camera, then being pointed at the microphone. So like with two audio sources, this is how it sounds like. And right now I'm going to split both microphones into left and right track using the stereo function. So let's try this. On the receiver settings, I'm going to put it in how do I change this? I wonder is it because it's recording, that's why it cannot change to stereo. Okay. Oh, okay. Safety track. What's this? Interesting. Alright, so now I'm gonna record in stereo. So, right, let's try. So right now it's recording in stereo, left and right tracks. So I'm gonna put it here so you can see. So right now this is being recorded in tandem, left and right track. So this is how it sounds like. In the audio, it will show the left and right differences between them. But yeah. Okay, so this is how it sounds like. Right now I'm gonna do a safety track. See how things can be different. Alright, so we're gonna set things to safety right now. Mono, okay, safety, mono safety track. Alright, let's give it a try. So we can see now there's a mono safety track feature being triggered right now, and this is how it sounds like. So talking right now at the same time as activating the camera. So this is how it sounds like. Alright, that's it. So there goes the test. I'm gonna swipe my hand over the screen, and right now we're gonna go back to iPhone audio. So right now I'm recording. I'm gonna describe the recording after I swipe. So swipe. Alright, so right now this is the recording from an iPhone 12, which is placed about 10 centimeters away. It's the same iPhone that is recording this scene right now. So yeah, this is how it sounds like on an iPhone 12 in comparison to the audio clip just now. I have not modified any audio leveling for both the iPhone and also for the DJI. So you can have a listen to this video and make your decisions in terms of calibrating your DJI microphone to according to the work that you want to do. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you do, please like, subscribe and share, and thank you so much everyone for tuning by. I'll see you guys next time, and bye. God bless. Jesus loves you and he heals. Thank you so much everyone.